Hey guys!
We are at Fish Creek Trailhead in the San Gorgonio Wilderness, and we're gonna head up Fish Creek Trail to the Skyline Trail, and we're gonna go down to Mineshaft Flats. Here we go.
Follow me to the sunshine, come and see what it feels like. Higher, higher than we climb, I know somewhere that you and I, we can stay.
The trailhead is off Highway 38 through Heart Bar Campground. Continue past the horse camp and the road eventually turns into dirt. It is a difficult road and isn't recommended for anything other than high clearance or four-wheel drive only. It took us about an hour.
Spread my wings and let go. Something stirring in my soul. I feel it again, feel it again, feel it again, feel it again. Unlock the cage and free my heart. This is where the journey starts. Now it begins, now it begins, now it begins, now it begins. This is gonna be a good day. Rolling on like the thunder with open eyes full of wonder. It's a good day. It's a good day to be alive. Spinning fast, the wheels keep turning. Every night is a new morning. It's a good day. It's a good day to be alive.
We have made it to the trail junction of the Aspen Grove Trail and the Fish Creek Trail, and we're gonna continue on the Fish Creek Trail.
It's a good day to be alive.
We came up here last year with our daughter and son-in-law, and this tree was all still in one piece and we had to walk along it.
When we were here last year, you heard one of these big trees fall, and it was so loud it echoed through the whole canyon.
Ready to live, ready to live. Like a dove I fly away. Now's the time, today's the day. Now it begins, now it begins, now it begins.
We've made it to the trail junction for Fish Creek Camp. We stayed here last year. It was a fun time. So quiet. Oh my gosh, it's the quietest place I've ever stayed.
Rolling on like the thunder with open eyes full of wonder. It's a good day. It's a good day to be alive. Spinning fast, the wheels keep turning. Every night is a new morning. It's a good day. It's a good day to be alive. It's a good day to be alive.
I feel like we're coming to some kind of precipice where there's going to be a great view. Let's see if I'm right.
And our campground's on the other side of that.
On the other side of that. Thanks, honey.
It's a good day to be alive.
Noise in case there's rattlers anywhere. Just to really piss them off. Oh, ouch.
Well, definitely climbing a mountain today with my heavy pack. Yeah, I feel like running. I'm having such a great time.
It's a good day to be alive.
This section of the trail right here was definitely sketch. Actually, just over this ridge right here. Yeah, just right here. It was just complete sheer drop down these rocks like this. But yeah, let's go this way. And there's the summit of San Gorgonio. It's a kind of a weird summit if you've ever been up there. Yeah, let us know. Have you been up to the summit? Drop us a comment. We love hearing about where you've been and what you've achieved.
We made it to Fish Creek Saddle, 5 miles into our hike, where we stopped for lunch.
This is my moment. I'm gonna show it. I've got my reasons.
Finished our lunch, and now where are we going, Kev?
We're going to Mineshaft Flats. It's
It's all
2.1 miles.
It was disappointing to spot a makeshift fire ring with wood. Hopefully, we left a clear message.
So we're gonna head down 1.3 miles to our campsite.
This is not one of the most popular trails. Let us know in the comments below, what do you prefer? Do you prefer a trail that is out in the wilderness and you are isolated? Or do you prefer a trail that is highly trafficked, you're gonna see lots of people? Let us know in the comments below. Hashtag isolated or hashtag trafficked. Another one.
Won't you come with me? Won't you come with me? And we'll take it high.
Woohoo!
We'll take it high. 'Cause too many times I touched the ceiling and peaks I've ever been. We'll take it high. We'll take it high.
We found a great site. And now we're walking 2/3 of a mile, well, 1/3 of a mile down and 1/3 of a mile back up to go get water. Okay.
Let out of the cage, took my chains away. I'm so tough to
The trail down to the water source is above the arrow. We scrambled around the creek and down the steep bank into the creek bed. After a long day, this was a tough ask.
wow now. Look at what you made me, look at what you made me do. You tell me I'm savage, you wish you could have it. I'm a little bit dangerous.
So Kev's just filled up the gallon gravity bag that we have from this running water. This was our sketchy ass water source. It's supposed to be 1/3 of a mile down. It's actually 2/3 of a mile down because the first one was dry. All the way down here we went, all the way down the creek bed, and it's really came back up there, right here. Came back up right there and came around. Well, that was sketchy as all get out. On our way back to the camp now. It is bushwhacking for younger people for sure. And Kev fell, so
Got me like 2 fists and a heart attack. Now look at what you made me, look at what you made me do. You tell me I'm savage. You wish
for dinner, we shared a chicken Alfredo pasta from Peak Refuel.
All that was left to do is to put up our critter bag. Our bear box is already stashed. Now we're off to bed.
If you enjoyed this video, please help us out by hitting that like button. You can also follow us on social media.
If you're new to our channel, we drop new videos every Wednesday and Saturday. So hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out. Until next time, we'll see you on the trail.